Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I'm here with the 2024 31-day Smashbook Challenge. It's getting pretty thick, guys. Looking cool. So, today's prompt is bucket list, day 28. So, I just did a list, and I'll just read them off. Not in the order I want to go either. They're just the ones that I would like to do. Go to Paisley Park. And if people don't know what Paisley Park is, that's where Prince's home is. I was supposed to go to that, but COVID happened and then life happened. And I'm hoping to get there this summer. Go to John Wayne's grave. Yes, I want to see his grave. Go to Sturgis Bike Week. Go to Daytona's Bike Week. Go to Mount Rushmore. Go to Yellowstone. Go see Pearl Harbor. Go to Washington, D.C., go to New York, go to Amsterdam. New York, Washington, and Amsterdam are from the beginning of the book, places I want to travel to. Go to Gettysburg's battlefield, go over the Golden Gate Bridge, go see Pikes Peak. The reason I want to go see Pikes Peak is my grandpa always talked about Pikes Peak when he was in Colorado. According to my friend Dawn, she told me it's nothing probably like what my grandpa saw. But I still want to go there just to say I went there. Go to Alaska fishing. 15. Take Scott to Canada fishing. And that is my bucket list. I mean, I can see some of them. I can probably check off. I mean, if I go see John Wayne's grave, I can go to the Golden Gate Bridge at the same time because they're both in California. Let's see. I go to Mount Rushmore. If I go to Sturgis, I can go to Mount Rushmore because they're fairly close. No, wait. Is there? Are they? Yeah. Yeah. Sturgis and yeah, Mount Rushmore. Yeah, they're fairly close. Let's see. Pennsylvania is where Gettysburg is. There's it'll be a fun trip. If I do travel, don't follow Tina's directions. All right, guys. I want to thank you for hanging out here and listening to me babble about trying to figure out, okay, if I went here, if I can go there. I do know I can go to Sturgis and go to see Mount Rushmore. They're not far from each other because they're both in South Dakota or North Dakota. South Dakota? One of the two. And I know John Wayne's grave is a little far from the Golden Gate Bridge, but it's the same state, so I'll just travel. And that's about it. And when I go to Yellowstone, I want to go, well, okay, I can go to Yellowstone and Pikes Peak because Yellowstone is also in Colorado, so I can go to both those places. Alrighty, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this day. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody. Bye.